Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install and use dual WhatsApp account on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So look here, my one WhatsApp and the second WhatsApp. I'm use two WhatsApp apps, that's mean use two different account. In my first account and the second WhatsApp account, just need to log in another WhatsApp account. Then I'm easily use two different WhatsApp account. Some provide how can easily set up. At first open settings, scroll down, click on to advanced feature, scroll down, then you get dual messenger option and press on to turn on. Then you get install option, just press on install, then install dual apps. One WhatsApp and the second WhatsApp. Just easily use two different WhatsApp account.